So here's how you can empty your iPhone to Drive. So let's get started. Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, the Drive, if we mean by that the Google Drive or iCloud Drive, it kind of works similarly because it all comes down to uploading some files from the iPhone to the cloud storage, right? So for example, if you are using the Google Drive, you might as well just download the app from the App Store, sign in with the account, and this mostly works best for photos, but obviously other file types work here too. But you can get inside, perhaps organize it within folders, but tap on the plus button, upload a file, and choose the photos and videos from your gallery, which you can upload to the Drive, and you can then delete them from the iPhone because you have a all of those things backed up on the Drive. So obviously it works for other file types as well, because you can also go to the different file formats which you can upload from the Files app, right? For example, if you have some PDFs, you can as well upload that to the Google Drive. When it comes to iCloud Drive, well, you also have one section within the Files app for iCloud Drive, and you can as well move your photos and videos there. I have to mention that for backing up photos, this is not the best way. I'm not sure if you, of course, want to just upload photos and videos or perhaps other things as well, but if you want to back up your gallery, then the best way to do it is either through the iCloud Photos or Google Photos, not through the Drive. Because, for example, you can instead download the Google Photos app where you as well sign in with a Google account, but this automatically takes care of it. You just need to allow access to your local photos, and every single thing will be backed up automatically to the Google Photos, so you can just then easily delete it from your local gallery. And the same thing for the iCloud Photos, where you need to enable it in the settings, profile, iCloud, and photos. You just have to sync your iPhone, and every single picture will then be uploaded to the iCloud, and you can delete it from the local storage. So it depends on what you're trying to do specifically. I'm just trying to think about the perspective of yours of what you're trying to do. So let me know if I match that, or if you need some more explanation, I can make an updated video about it. But for now, that's going to be about it. I really hope I can help you out, or at least give you an idea of how it could work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos too.